Welcome to Professional Audiology YouTube channel. I'm your host today, Alex Gascon. I'm a registered audiologist at this clinic. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about tinnitus and what we see in the clinic here and what are the mechanisms behind it. So first of all, tinnitus it's a symptom, it's not a disease. Tinnitus presents itself like can be a ringing, a humming, a buzzing, any sound that you hear that has no external source. It can be in one ear and can be in both. Sometimes it feels like it's in the head. It all falls in the same category. It's called tinnitus. So in most cases, this is not a sign of a serious condition. It can happen as a result of hearing loss. It can be related to age as well. Basically there are different causes, but most of the time this is not something, medically speaking, that is a significant concern. So one of the possible mechanisms for tinnitus is when the hair cells of the inner ear are damaged. This can create a misfiring of the nerve from the ear to the brain, which results in this, let's call that this phantom sound that you may hear. So again, a lot of time it's a consequence of the hearing loss. Of course, at times tinnitus is something we're going to investigate further. If it's only in one ear and there's hearing loss only in that one ear, often we will refer to a specialist and try to really pinpoint the cause. If it's really distractive, if it creates sleep difficulties, if it can lead to anxiety. So if it starts to have a bigger impact on the quality of life and it's something that cannot be forgotten during the day, we will look into it more and we'll talk about solutions and help the patient to carry on and adjust to it. Some of the ways that we can do that, the most effective way, if there is hearing loss, hearing aids are a great way to help to hide the tinnitus. And that's one of the things that we know work the vast majority of the time. Wearing hearing aids when you have hearing loss will make the tinnitus less noticeable. If the hearing is normal and there is bothersome tinnitus, then it's really, each person is different, but there are a couple of solutions we can look at. One of them is called a noise generator. This is something you can leave next to your bed. This is going to make a white noise or the sound of the rain. And again, this is to help to hide the tinnitus. It doesn't have to be a noise generator. Technically, it can be a fan. Any sounds for you that's not bothersome, and it helps to keep your brain busy and make it less noticeable. So that's one of the possible solutions. Sometimes it involves almost a lifestyle change where relaxation, counseling can be involved too. So again, each person is different, and what we recommend will depend on how much it's bothering you, and then we go from there. So what I'd like to emphasize is tinnitus does not necessarily mean that you have hearing loss. It is rarely a sign of a serious medical condition, even though it can be bothersome. So it doesn't necessarily mean that you have hearing loss. However, if you have concerns about ringing or buzzing in your ears, I would recommend get a hearing test by an audiologist, and you can contact this clinic for that, and we'll be happy to address your concerns. Thank you for watching us today, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.